Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and if you're new here, hello and hi, my name is Arnaz. Welcome to my channel. Today I have created this super easy burgundy matte smoky eye look, so without any delay, let's start a video. I am going to prime my eyelids for the eyeshadows to hold on to. I'll start by taking this transition shade with a large fluffy brush and placing it all over my eyelids. Next, I'll take this shade with a blending brush and lightly go over the crease and blend it outwards. I'll build the shade slowly and intensify it. Then I'll take this shade with a shader brush and place it in my eyelids below the crease line. I'll saturate the eyelids with this shade. I am going to blend out the edges with a blending brush to diffuse any harsh edges. I'll go back and forth with the eyeshadows a couple of times to intensify it. I'll blend all the eyeshadows upwards towards the brow bone. Next, I'll take this shade with the shader brush and apply it in my lash line and outer corner. This will add some definition to the eyes. I'll blend and diffuse the edges. I'll take a black shade and apply it close to my lash line. I'll mix the two shades and apply it in my lower lash line. I'll smoke it out with a fluffy brush. I'll line my upper lash line with black liquid eyeliner, apply some mascara and add some false lashes. I decided to add some black kohl kajal to my lash line and blend the edges with a short shader brush. Kohl kajal can make a lot of difference. I'll clean out the fallouts with some concealer and set it with some loose powder. This will also help sharpen the eye look. I'll highlight my inner corner and the brow bone by mixing these two shades and finish the look. Here is the final look. It is a simple yet classy monochromatic burgundy look. Only a couple of eyeshadows and not too complicated. I hope you enjoyed this video. All the products used are mentioned in the description box below. Let me know in the comments below if you liked this video, and if you did, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, give a thumbs up and ring the notification bell. And I'll see you all next time.